If your Apple ID has been restricted, you can appeal a decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your Apple ID, including your account details, any error messages received, and the reason for the restriction if known. This will help you present a clear case. Step 2. Visit Apple Support. Go to the Apple Support website. Look for the section related to Apple ID issues and account restrictions. This is where you will find the necessary resources to start your appeal. Step 3. Contact Apple Support. Use the contact options available on the website to reach out to Apple Support. You can choose to chat, call, or send an email. Be prepared to provide your account information and explain your situation. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If prompted, fill out any forms required to submit your appeal. Clearly state your case, including why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Attach any supporting documents if necessary. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for Apple Support to respond. This may take some time, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your account status. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on your Apple ID can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Make sure to provide all necessary information and stay in touch with Apple Support for the best chance of resolving the issue.